here are a few features and benefits of the DPS Compound Kit. CFD flow-tested cast iron hot pipe. Our very own unique S300 and S400 race housings. High-flow 3-piece exhaust manifold. Easy fit, mixed Kevlar lined, low-pressure silicone charge pipe. Bolts directly to the stock exhaust. Molded rubber intake that fits perfectly around the oil filter. Polished intake with sensor port for 3rd gen and 4th gen. Metal high pressure charge pipe that connects directly up to the intercooler. A huge custom made air filter. Lowers EGTs by 250 to 450 degrees. Increases horsepower by about 25%. Operates in a much wider RPM band. Excellent for towing and daily driving. Best flowing kit on the market.